For independent practice, we are going to complete only the understand and plan section on our problem solving board. We're going to use this problem here. You can anchor this problem inside of your math journal, and you're only going to complete the understand and plan sections of the problem solving plan. So the problem says, yesterday, Mario collected 345 power stars while playing a video game. He used 146 of the power stars to move to the next level in the game. Today, Mario collected 128 more power stars. How many power stars does Mario have in all? So you want to make sure that you're reading it more than once and that you understand what the important information are, and you also highlight your action words that are telling you how you're going to plan to solve for this problem. You're not going to solve and you're not going to check. So the only thing that you need to do is the understand and the plan. Now, do not discard this problem or throw it away and lose it in your math journal, because you're going to need it for Monday. We're going to pick up with this same problem on Monday and we're going to solve and check. So we're going to go over the words that you should have highlighted, the clues that you should have highlighted, and how your plan should look in order to solve and check your work.